and feel free to contact us anytime so that you can benefit greatly from what we are doing to train future civil and structural engineers and other construction professionals. In this session, I'd like just to show you the G+1 story building that I've drawn. As you can see on your screen, this is a perfectly well done drawing, and its architectural plans, if you allow me just to show you, are here. And this was the architectural drawing that I was given, and from this architectural drawing I was able to create what we refer to as a general arrangement drawing. As you can see it here, after drawing the general arrangement drawing, I was able to export it to Protastructure, whereby I imported to Protastructure. As you can see here, before I did my analysis, let me first go back and try to change this from that to none, of course. So this is how I model it, everything here. After modeling, I did the analysis, and of course there were some issues at first, but I was able to resolve those issues. Now you can see that my design, if we go and check with you, then we will going to learn that the design has passed everything and it's okay and ready for implementation, ready for generating drawing. As you can see, when you check your design status, it's very okay. And in addition, I've generated its sample drawing, sample details. So just doing this to show you what to learn once you register in Protastructure as a course. This is, imagine you starting from scratch from an architectural template, and you end up at least getting these details that you can export to AutoCAD and you start learning. So if you are interested to join my class, I'll be taking it personally. I'm the instructor at Cadinbim when it comes to Protastructure software. So I'll be guiding you through each and every steps to factor in how to speed up your work, how to optimize your drawing, and how to resolve clashes and errors and everything that you need to know so that you become very efficient in concrete design. So I'm urging that anyone interested, either beginner, you have never been able to design, but you would like to know how to design this structural design in concrete using Protastructure, then I'll leave my detail, I'll leave my contacts, contact me, and then we'll schedule with you within 8 to 12 hours. Maybe you can spread them across 3 days or even 4 days or within a week, and you'll be just perfect. I already have students who have joined my class and they are already doing so well, and they're impressing me. Thanks so much. That's the much I will talk for now. I expect to see you in my next session. So I'm calling upon anyone who would like to join this class to feel free and to know that it's genuine. I can also assure you money guaranteed. If by the end of the tutorial you will not be able to design and get a design like, for instance, if maybe I come here and maybe change this beam from, these are 450 beam, let's just do some trial here. See, these are 450 beam, but let's just change it to 300 and see if we run analysis, what will happen. Just update it, yes, so that our design, now they are showing us expired analysis. Now I want to do a fresh analysis, but remember that I've just changed this beam from 400 depth to 450 to a 350 to a 300 beam size. So let's run analysis and see what will happen. So I've optimized everything. So if you are interested in learning structural design, feel free to contact us. Leave my details there and I'll be taking you through. This is Cadinbim, remember, where we train construction professionals, including architects, including civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers. You can name all the engineers within the construction profession. You can see we are just doing the running, and I want to do the analysis. I'm doing the concrete design analysis for both column and beam. Then we can just run start. You can even see that if I check my building, there were no errors. You can see we had 0 errors. That was very good. And then I can run this. Let's see what happens. I'm just doing you a further so that you know that I actually did due diligence in designing this. Maybe also if you have something to consult, maybe as a contractor, and you like to get someone to work along with you or to do your structural details, then also feel free to reach out. We will gladly assist. You can see now the beam that I've just changed from 450, it has caused a lot of disaster. So just